How to import a PPT to Zoom. Click Import PowerPoint on the main window. Select your preferred PowerPoint presentation and click Open. Here, you can either click Import All to bring all the slides in the PPT to Zoom, or manually select the slides you want to import and click Import Selected. Let's stick to Import All for a demonstration. You can click these arrows to navigate through the slides you imported. Notice that this first template is selected by default. You can choose any of these available templates to match your theme. Scrolling down gives you access to even more templates to choose from. Let's select this news template for this illustration. Now, navigate to a slide. Click Content. Notice that all the slides in the PPT are available here. You can decorate the current one by clicking Choose and then selecting an image from your PC. You can also click this PPT button and import another PowerPoint presentation to Zoom. Optionally, you can enter a caption in the SAT text box that you want to display along with the slide. Let's move to the next slide and add a caption here as well. Click Present Settings. Notice all the available virtual backgrounds here. Let's choose this one. Or this one looks better. Notice that the watermark type is set to default. You can set the position of the watermark on the screen from these options. Select None if you don't want any watermark at all, or choose Customize and upload your custom watermark for branding purposes. To add annotations, click Pointer and click and drag your mouse over the screen. If you want the annotations to remain visible, click this Options arrow on the pointer button and check this Keep Traces box. Notice that you can even choose a different color for the annotations. Let's pick red. Now, when you mark the screen, the annotations will remain visible. You can click the pointer button again to deselect. Notice how the annotations are automatically gone. Furthermore, you can click the slide on the screen to enlarge. This gives better visibility of the contents. Clicking the screen again restores the slide to its normal size. Once you are done, click Record to start the recording. And click Done to stop. Finally, you can click Download and save the recording as an MP4 video on your PC. Thank you for watching.